Mfana, it's my first time ukubloma nomuntu ocava ukhabzela live manyanya kawo.
Yes.
Uyabloma nabo khabzela?
La uthi lena bengihlukumeze.
There's no part kule number le. Ay mfana. Wena nokuroskele menidlala ngaleso zitshe kitchen.
Yes.
Wow.
Like you're ahead of us, and that's the thing.
Yeah. So which song is that? Do you remember the song?
Which is Ngondo Yami.
Oh, Nkosiyami. My jam.
Yes.
My jam. So Singasho, that was your first ever song.
Yes.
Ingena ku mainstream.
Yes.
So amasesisu sengomthandazo mfana semzini ayengasuka.
Kanti mfundisi ufika nini amen?
Ufikile amen.
Mina ngithi amen phela ngikuze
cast yasekasi eringa nabantu basekasi. Siringa ngestory that we told ekasi lethu. Akekho umunye ongayixoxa njengathi. So on my very first episode bafethu ngifuna ukuthi ngivele ngisuse ngomthandazo. Yonke into phela iqala ngomveli inqange, yabo? Lapho I can't even pray but ngizozama. Bathi baba, please forgive us for being sinners. Kusase yithi ne microphone, we putting nothing between us. Yimi nabangani bami, we just praying that you hear us. Kule jeni abanye abaningi bazosifila, abanye would wanna kill us. Mara siyazi ama blessings will multiply. Ngathi we in between mirrors. Hey, man. Amasesisu sengomthandazo mfana semzini ayengasuka.
kanti mfundisi ufika nini amen?
Ufikile amen.
Mina ngithi amen phela ngikuze.
Masithi amen, shoot amen isibungu. Wenzani?
Ngiyathenga manje ngiyasithusa thina.
Bafethu i-podcast my first guest vandaag ngiphethe ngidonsa ama-archive. Ngidonse kuma-archive ngiphethe elinye iHotman lasekasi bathi uDJ Fresca. Izinje ezinkulu. Anyaka ngihlale ngingamazi. Bathi umamela ungamamelanga. Ndive futhi ungavisisanga. Ugraja yami.
Mina sami.
Nale lapha lapha ngishililenga.
Phela manje hayi. Ngikuday chance na ube right.
Ade, ugrand mara otherwise.
Mnandi sami.
Mnandi.
Yes.
Bengisatshele nge-out yami off camera mfana ukuthi kuthe mokhipha inumber yakho back then. If I knew ukuthi umakhelane wami la iduza bengizoza kuwe mfana nje kubamba isandla ngithi bambela bhuti ayishaya nami.
Manje uhleli ujump straight.
Bengazi nje yami. So uyawuthala iSoweto uphuma la island.
Yes, pretty much like.
Ikaso liphakamiselayo lelo.
Kaslam.
Born and bred.
No. Umsowethe mina. I like to call myself Umsowethe, yabo.
Awubandlulu.
Because mama waku Millionaires, baba is from Fuller North.
Yeah, sure.
You know, and then
so it's okay.
Yeah, so I'll say I'm Umsowethe.
Mfana, it's my first time ukubloma nomuntu ocava ukhabzela live manyanya kawo.
Yes.
Uyabloma nabo khabzela?
La uthi lena bengihlukumeze.
Ngicela ungitshele ngale awuthi kancane because I feel ukuthi I was robbed. Mina bengintwana kawo lapho sengiqala ukuhlakanipha khona ne.
Yes.
Kulapho iHotman seliphuma out.
Alright.
So sengizwa nje ama clips nani ukuthi ayilebe namasimba yabona nani.
Yeah. Okay, what happened is I got it on out in Spanish in the capital. So say Sweet Community Radio.
Yeah.
Now it's Josie FM.
Oh, okay.
Yes, back in the days, nabo. Yabo Paul, station manager manje. Back then he was still a DJ. Yabo yoze nathi. Ngeni. Abo mita mali. It was like a lot of us. I went to Chaka, you know. It was like hell of us, like.
Yeah.
I was the youngest nala.
Sure, sasentwana encane ushaya na.
Bengipuma from high school actually. Bengalo to Spain, my first job.
Yeah.
Sweet Community Radio.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, so buye ukuthi ke bodlala live kwi-show ka Khabzela ku YFM.
Yes.
I want you to tell me about your first ever gig. Ukuthi manje ngishaya number. What was your first ever gig?
That guy put me on a deep end, I remember. I remember very well. It was a electric shop. Where he gave me like a big break. Like, he was like, just like that, you know. But I mean, he just came from my crib. And was like, just like that. Go. Electric shop. House is a and now how many you talk, yeah. And it was like plus minus like what 50,000 people in there. And now I have to show up my talent and he's putting me on a tip end with that. Yeah, sure. You know, he just played like what 30 minutes and it was like
So that
1
clearly-
hour 30 minutes yeah kawudlala. Then I was
out of mhlambi 3 hours set
Yes,
ukawa 1 hour 30
and I
minutes.
remember I played at 5 a.m. in the morning, and I was supposed to play for 1 hour 30 minutes, but ipati yaphela ngo-9 basically. Yes.
That clearly shows ukuthi khona manje believe kuwe. Ngicabanga ukuthi yini ayibone kuwe ngakho ukuthi yazi le ntwana ngizoyifaka e-deep end and ngiyazi ukuthi uzoyenza into right.
I would say it's the talent and like in the skatsazana, you know.
Yeah.
And the type of music that I play and how I play my music, and I just.
Okay, so at that time are you guys playing with ama-vinyls or ilento zanamhlanje zama-CDJ?
Ama-vinyl thina.
Nikusho i-vinyl?
Thina ibheke LP athi amadala stokis.
Yeah.
Indaba le yini le ama-CD. Sibekela ama-records bona ku-DJ.
Mina ngithi engiyithembayo ile phezulu record umbuso ne. Ungamela umbuso ngevinyl.
Sokendi besebenza sonke ngithi.
Ngoba beninonke vele beniyinto eyi-1.
Ndoda kanti thini man.
Ungalishaye ivinyl nombuso iyo bengiyithemba because benephezulu record bengigeleze eJozi besala sifele eCarlton Center just ukuyodlula phezulu record.
Ngisibane nombuso Sokendi. He used to co-own Sokendi, him and Harel, you know, and I used to work there as a lecturer.
Yeah.
Sokendi.
So
I got an opportunity to work with them actually.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So i-riding i-Soul Candy. Ukuthi uzospara nge-Soul Candy bakuthola through u-riding uKhabzela.
No. What happened is I always wanted to produce music because I always bought music like from Soul Candy. So basically I'm but keep my time, and how about I do my own thing, you know, I start my own thing maybe, you know.
Yeah.
And so I always like bafethi isikolo wonke Soul Candy siphi isikole sesifundisa into le siphi isikole sesifundisa into le.
Ile ntwana ezi-curious esifuna ukwazi.
Yeah, yabo. And they had Lungimdina vele yabo gcina thola a guy called Crazy White Boy, Ryan Megatroid. Who's Crazy White Boy? I'm Crazy White Boy.
Yeah, I know.
That's the guy who taught me like everything pretty much. And it was a one-on-one basis class where that's how the school started actually, which is the Soul Candy Institute of Music today.
Iqale ngawe no Crazy White Boy.
Yes.
Just the two of you nikelizana umculo.
Yes.
So when that happened, bowunetlu ukuthi umculo yini kwenzakalani or you just knew ukudlala inamba
No,
kuphela?
I know music. I know how it's supposed to sound.
Yeah.
But I didn't know how to do it.
Wow. So where's Crazy White Boy manje? Shout out to
He's
him.
in Cape Town now.
Yeah.
Hey, Ryan Megatroid.
Yeah.
Makuruscope. Hey. What's up there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, so yeah. That's the guy like who told me everything like that I know regarding audio.
So singakayifera, I'm more interested ku-come up yakho. So I know it also includes konje ubani no DJ beka ku FM man lo Orla. Konje ubani Orla yakuwhy? Bekuwhy during that time? Chili yeah. I-come up yakho, did you come up with him or uye wakubona when you were coming up? What happened?
No, pretty much we usually like met up in gigs, you know. I usually play at Capitol, Rosebank.
Okay.
Every Thursdays. We Foolish Thursdays, 20p. So what happened is everybody like on Thursdays was there, you know. So yeah, such a just like that. And then I played that song, you know, and he was like, I like the song, can you just give me the and it maybe actual song being catch with your chest and I would see how the song people react to the song. And then he took that copy and to FM.
That's how you actually got
Yes,
into
on Monday,
YFM.
I got a call.
Yeah.
Ngiseklasi ngiyafundisa hey ndoda hey if we're interviewing 30 minutes time just like that the songs on radio and then the rest is history.
So which song is that? Do you remember the song?
Which is Ngondo Yami.
Oh, Nkosi yami. My jam.
Yes.
My jam. So singasho that was your first ever song
Yes.
engena ku mainstream.
Yes.
So mawuzozwa i-idea. Okay, let's start ukuthi isuka va. Okay. No Crazy White Boy use-Soul Candy uyakugelezisa, right?
Yes.
At this time you're not signed to Soul Candy.
No.
Uyazama ukugelezisa no music.
Yeah, okay, and thank for me clarify. I would never sign it to a kid.
Or you've never.
Never.
Okay,
I
so
always own my music, you know.
tell us the difference between ukusana and ukugeleza. What happens?
No, obviously, learning there, you learn a lot of things, you know. Basically, it's production side of things, you learn the business side of things, you know.
Oh, okay.
So, I thought, really signing in with these people. Now I know what's happening in the industry. Why should I?
Yeah.
You know, I'd rather start independent and do my thing, you know. And yeah.
Oh, okay, so we can safely say Uchigelezi Ngondo Yami was not under Soul Candy.
No.
Were you independent or was para nabanya abantu?
No, obviously I had partners with support under Amarites. That's why I own my music in most cases, you know.
Oh, so from Tuka you owned your music?
Yeah, I had that thing. You know?
Wow.
Even now, whoever wants to use my song, they consult my companies direct. They don't go to any label, no.
How and why did you know Guti it's important to own your music back then?
I need to do my research, and then there's music business as well, you know?
Yeah.
If you follow up on these things, especially young people, they like shortcuts, you know?
No, yeah. True.
Yeah,
True.
phone they perfect.
Like
research. Research no plow.
We important with I get you.
You know, so yeah, that's how everything started for me, you know.
No.
And then from there, yeah, the rest was history.
The rest was history.
The rest songs there. So yeah.
Wow. Okay. So writing usolkendi no Crazy White Ball niyakeleze sana ne?
Yes.
So isikela sikhula kanjani ukuthi kube institute because ngiyacava abantu ababhaya abagelezela.
Okay, eventually what happened is after I graduated, finishing after I was done with my course basically, what happened is they ended up hiring me as one of the lecturers.
Oh, okay.
Yes, then I had to go through CETA, all of that, get accreditation, all of that things. And then that's where I met Kudos Kellen, which was my
I was going to ask you about that nigga,
yeah, which was my business partner back then, you know. We started Ebentone Records together. And that's why Ndengeko was under Ebentone, which was our company.
Ebentone?
Yes, Ebentone Records. Yes, and then from there, after 5 years from that, and then I started my own company, Social Underground Music with Sticks, and then unfortunately, me so rest in peace, he passed on, and then I had to start a new company again.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, now I'm solo.
I'm solo now.
Yeah, I have to be solo, but now obviously there's people that are coming in, there's investors coming in, so yeah, to help businesses. You know?
Great.
But I'm starting something new imprint, new label.
Yeah.
Put your heads up.
Yeah. Something going to call it.
Yeah, Bang Music.
So just to move on, you mentioned about Masita and accreditations and whatever that you went through.
Yes.
So can we safely say on record, Uguti, musical lecture qualified?
Yes.
How can this music anywhere?
Anyhow, anyway.
Wow.
I live music, my man, anyway.
Yeah, qualified. Varsity, whatever. Music.
That's what I pay bills and everything.
Yeah.
Yes, I lecture music, I make music, I play music. What else?
Wow. So mfana ngicela ungibuyisele ku-riding when you recorded Into Engekhoyo, you said that was your first song, right?
Yes.
So when you recorded, who's the lady on my vocals? Leletu.
Yes.
Shout out Leletu, shout out. Uleletu, how do you meet Uleletu? She comes to a studio ngoma seyenziwe or what's the story?
Okay, she came into the studio. Like what happened is me and the Kudos gave me lecturers.
Okay.
That's okay, my car. School. So njalo siyathethema what we do is lokho sazilokela abathojisifayile thina.
Yeah. One is lokele ematlasini lapha.
Yeah, siyathesha.
Yeah.
Yabo sizama laptop page athesha yabo.
Yeah.
Leli izinto sizenza endlini ubuya la kusasa ekseni imamele vele.
Yeah.
Besingakabi nama monitor speaker, umuntu speaker bese Spanish. So simele manje.
Mele ni Spanish da.
Sigange vele. Hayi saganga kanjalo. And then Leletu used to be like what? It means that mean.
Oh, the shot mean. Oh, okay.
That mean Spanish, angaculi, yabo.
Yeah.
So now we have a song. We need a vocalist.
Sure.
We just like to spend naye.
Yeah. Shy paperwork da uhlala busy isiphithiphithi sure.
Hey, menzimtshela manje awushaya around man yabo. Simuzonyana ana researcher some poem nyana sidama sitirmana. Awushaya jika nyana masibona sinyenzana. Aluka postpone. As vele kungasumntu oculayo kahle. So ithi simfostile kahle.
Sure.
Some foster ayale sometimes ayibambe, sometimes ayele uyazi njani.
Yeah.
I think we recorded that song for a month.
Wow.
And then until one day she came through to the studio, I remember it was just way before we knock off.
Yeah.
And then she was like crying and stuff and relationship stuff, you know.
Oh yeah.
And she was emotional in all of that. And then I said, this is what I want. And then can you just do that song again? And put that to it and then just take it one take. And that was it.
Sayibonga le out yamphula inhliziyo. Yasky hit. So there's this part kule number le. Ayi mfana. Ayi wena nokuroskele menidlala ngalezo zitshe ekhishini.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Like you're ahead of our time. That's the thing.
Yeah, because I was listening to that song is all. I'm like, Amachita, way ahead of their time.
You know, like
Yeah. So
it.
was that E-Tech? What was that? Eyaphuma into engekho, is it the one le thola uriding Chili M ayise ku YFM so
Yes.
to ligike YFM?
Yes, and then from there, Fistas Mixwell came through, wanted to license the song. For me, it was a competition like Fistas Mixwell.
Yeah.
One, volume 1, I think. And then it sold gold.
Wow.
And then House Flavor for sure for SAPC 1, it sold gold as well.
Yeah.
And and that was the main song that was pushing both competitions.
So you also mentioned that at that time you're not signed. So
Yes.
if uzospana naboma SAPC nani, are you aware with labantu mele bakhafe, you must be getting paid for all this?
Yes.
So they were paying.
Yes.
Okay. Interesting. So with DJ Fresh manje, you all know.
Yes.
Uyireceive kanjani abantu sebakuthanda bakrunte emamall? Are you ready for leyo mpilo leyo now you are introduced?
Tipo kanjani bengihamba ngetaxi ngisespanish bank ne.
Yeah.
Uzomba yakufone, ngoma yakhe radio. Jalo khozi le taxi so.
Yeah.
You know, hey, ngoma kali YFM, ngoma kali metro. You know, like
Yeah.
you didn't understand. Like
Sure.
okay. All right, you know.
Because also you well traveled. So is that the song ekuthathile yakwisa Orkant?
Actually opened up like a lot of like avenues for me, you know, like, and even like ventures via New York, Miami, in terms of like embassy. They had like a joint venture in embassy in South Africa where I used to play with New York, Washington DC, Atlanta, Washington, Miami, Greece, Belgium, Netherlands. I've been through like
Wow.
places.
So at traveling Orkant, it's not a black coffee thing, it's not a piano thing. Into yayibeyenzeka from Dala.
Yeah.
But we just didn't know about it because bengenama social media kakhulu back then. Yeah. So the first trip yakhe Orkant was in Miami.
No, it was New York.
New York.
I did New York and Washington DC.
So this is your first tracks over New York.
Yes.
How does that feel, Doc? Ukungena on that flight or ukupakisha nje just knowing ukuthi ngomphando wami nya Orkant.
Baze cut sadlala siqale.
Yeah. Mhlawumbe usaba neplane at that time.
Sasephazile and kanti kwenzakalani.
Yeah.
Apha mina there's a cake you're supposed to go and play with people. Okay. Awusangikhona imali ngaka. Serious.
Yeah.
You're like what is a movie?
So urayideng sister ulelethu. What is the mind state at that time? Ufuna uqhubeka nge-admin or she's like I'm a superstar and I want to continue with this music.
She was shocked the song when I went beat and like, she was like, you guys, I thought you were just joking and that was sadala. That's how I mean, like you can't get into studio until so you're making it.
Yeah, true.
Where most guys gang here, that's where it comes in, you know.
So was she gigging with you or Ruvelo Ashale?
Yeah, she was gigging with guys. I remember I did a tour for Flavor where it was a national campaign where it did there in Cape Town, Botswana.
Yeah. Iyiphi number bukompita nayo because I personally feel ukuthi bekumele ivale unyaka le number le.
Okay, we here.
Yeah.
Okay, we got kumapurisa there. Ono monothisha ngapurisa wenzi bashanyana.
Oh yeah,
but yeah, like
Mara was it a contender nyana for Masama,
yes. You know, and then eventually the song that they made it through the Roma Boys because it should be going out overseas.
Yeah.
SA Music Mag.
Yeah.
There's a lot.
Okay, so I've listened to a number of your songs, né? So I'll tell you my personal favorite one, né? And but I know with Amachita Muspana now closely, which maybe are your closest friends. Is it like Motion? Yeah.
yazi umthakambi bachitaka kanhlera
Yeah, tsa Pitori. Yeah, body bra.
semgrass
Yeah.
bafana basidimayo.
Sure. So how much uhlangana nawo vaka kanjani ngambani?
Okay, how we met in a gig. I remember it was a bushfire festival in
Okay.
Swaziland, MTN, and just playing there. And then they played my sound, actually.
Oh yeah, because you sounded it's very similar.
the sound that I
Yeah,
play,
complimentary.
if
Sure.
I perform that.
Mm.
As the type of music that I play and the type of music they play. So eventually you start like kicking down on that cool.
Yeah.
Eventually that's how we started. And then we started visiting China. That's
Yeah.
also because visiting up on the back. And then how Amaposa came about. I remember very well. It was a party PDL Kawash.
Yeah, PDL.
Yes. When we are in Cape Town, I was late for a show. Yes, PDL. That actually come.
Yeah. Let's go on namhlanje, sure. Yeah.
So it was my friend's birthday. Boost, which is
Okay.
this guy in Boost was playing kids. He was a DJ, so we had a party there. So I don't figure out how frustrated, people started bouncing. Hey,
Yeah.
Send to picture.
Shisinabo dlanda.
And then from that party,
Yeah.
we were sad and we were having fun, and from having fun,
Sure.
from there to studio.
Sure.
That's how the song was.
So from le hapo ke se PDL ukuthi doesn't ansaba ngoqeda set
Convoy from there.
But let's go back to studio sport esenzani.
Convoy to my crib, and then it was there, started doing a song. And then from there I went to Pretoria, they added some other percussions, and then they kept it with the song, and I recorded the vocals, singing the vocals, and then
So I was checking out Amapoisa. Are there two versions of Amapoisa, or is it only just one version?
you won't find my remix. There's few of my tracks that we can get remixes from.
Oh.
Yeah, like,
So you were actually with the guys in the studio in Shade number, not with Banea when you were actually in the studio.
even Shakaramba, same place with Shakaramba.
Yeah.
Same place with Shakaramba is